Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your fund code on the Bitget crypto trading application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitget app on your device, and once you are logged into your account, you will end up within the home page. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and then tap on the right arrow key alongside your username. Now within the user center page, you will need to tap on security. Here, just scroll down and tap on fund code. Now if you have already set up a fund code previously, you will then be able to find the change fund code option. Go ahead and tap on it and then type in your desired new fund code. After typing in this code, enter this once again underneath for confirmation and then tap on the submit button. You will now need to enter your current fund code within the fund code box. After typing it in, tap on the passkey verification option and now provide your biometric verification or your hardware verification. Once the verification is complete, tap on the confirm button and now your fund code has successfully been changed. You can now use this new fund code within your account and your transactions right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your fund code on the Bitget crypto trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.